Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel that will only bring you the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. So Bafethu, with the ongoing reports suggesting that the Orlando Pirates are preparing to offer Polokwane City with 15 million rand for Austrian Apollos, and Kaizer Chiefs understood that they have unmatched offer. So Bafethu, according to the reports in local media, Kaizer Chiefs were getting ready to pay 10 million rand, which was then rejected by Polokwane City, with the Orlando Pirates then believed to be preparing an offer of 15 million rand plus a player. The source revealed that the big difference is about 5 million and there were internal plans to offer Polokwane City a player on top of 15 million rand. A source revealed, "It's like a cat fight, you know how it is. Chiefs were in the first one to show interest in Apollos, but then Pirates came in. Now Chiefs want to make a better offer." So Bafethu, an insider close to the dealings, has revealed that no concrete offer is on the table, yes, and that things are uncertain at this stage. So Bafethu, the 23-year-old, has been in a good form since joining the club from Pretoria Callis last season and has continued his exceptional form for Bafana Bafana. So Bafethu, please place your thoughts on the comment section about this. I will see you on the next video.